structure that I told you, and the purpose also we explained. I think Saif, have you forward that previous videos to Pratima?
Yes, Chanu.
Okay, great.
Yeah. I got all the videos.
Okay, did you watch the videos?
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
watched
great.
all the videos. Yeah.
Okay, fine. See, in this session, I'm going to explain. So, what is fiscal year variant? So, and what is posting period variant? How to open the periods? Okay. So these are all stuff I'm going to explain. And Pratima, have you installed your
Yes, sir. Yes. I
ECC
got it.
6 or S4 HANA?
Hana. Yes, for Hana.
HANA. Acha. Okay. What about Trinad? Did you install
ECC, SAP ECC.
ECC, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Make it in mute. And what is maintained fiscal year variant? Uh, can anyone tell what is maintained fiscal year variant? Saif, do you have any idea what is fiscal year variant? Pratima, can you tell anything
It
about fiscal
must
year?
be related to the accounting financial year.
Okay.
Yeah, it's account financial
Accounting
year.
financial year.
In SAP, it's having uh, 4 special periods and 12 main periods.
Okay.
Normal is the 12 periods and 4 is like optional. How many days the company is required that they can make into like one period kind of. Like a 20
Okay.
days or like a 28 days, depends on that their requirement. They can make it like a 4 periods into the optional. Every company
Okay.
is having a total 16 physical year variants, I think. So. Yeah.
Okay. Great. Okay, let's understand what exactly the fiscal year variant. And today onwards, I will tell you how to start. If anyone asks you how to start, how to close, how to end up the concept. Okay. So how to begin the concept and how to close the concept. That is the beauty of explanation. Okay. So if in order to select any interview, so first focus is, so what is the purpose of that concept and how we can create or any changes, what are the T code, what is the T code is required, then what is the purpose of the T code, okay, and what are the options are available. So these are all important areas. Okay. So maintain fiscal year variant. Generally in SAP, generally we have 12 posting periods. Okay. So you can take any fiscal year. So at least 12 posting periods will be there, right? So our accounting starts with 1st April and end with 31st March, right? So 1 year. So it is only 12 periods, but the SAP has given additionally 4 extra periods. Okay. So why these 4 extra periods are given by SAP? Because any audit corrections and any accrual deferral postings after preparation of finance statements in the year ending. Okay. So any tax corrections. So these are all comes under this for special category. So generally in SAP, maximum amount of 16 posting periods will allow. Okay, 12 is normal regular posting periods and 4 is additionally given. Indian companies generally follow 12 posting periods, April to March, and 4 special periods. Uh, Additionally, for that Indian company use V3 variant. What is V3 and all I will tell. And US companies generally 12 posting periods, Jan to December with 4 special posting periods, K4. So US companies will follow variant K4, Indian companies will follow variant V3. And you can take any other countries just like Japan or some other countries will follow July to June or October to September. Anyhow, 12 posting periods. We will count 12 posting periods. But additionally, SAP given 4 extra posting periods, total 16 posting.
This sir, this 12 posting periods would be like suppose if you take it like Jan to December in US company,
Yeah.
Jan is a one posting period we can make it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Feb is again a second posting period kind of, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Let's say it's April to March, then April is first posting period.
yeah. Ours is India, yeah. Right.
Okay. And fiscal year variance should be assigned to company code. Okay. And generally variants are always at client level. So variants are always at a client level. So client level means data is very sensitive, and it's a, I mean, in order to get any change of fiscal year variant, we need to get approval as well. Okay. So here you can see year independent and year dependent, two options at the client level. So what is year independent and what is year dependent? So this is also one of the interview question. Okay. So what are the questions will come here? One is how many periods that we can maintain in SAP, 16 posting periods. So for Indian companies, what is the variant? V3. For US company, what is the variant? K4. So variants are maintained at client level. What is difference between year independent and year dependent? So year dependent means, so our you can say our fiscal year, where our fiscal period start from April and it should be complete with March, right? So year is changing. I mean different periods. So April to December, one period. I mean 1 year, and Jan to March next year. So here years are changing and periods also changing. So that is the reason it is called as year dependent. So we follow year dependent. US companies there is no year change, only Jan and December. So a same number, same dates. So that is called as a year independent. So they will tick option year independent. For Indian companies we will tick option year dependent. So what exactly these two concept I will tell once we do configurations. So now, how to explain these things in SAP? I mean, how to explain these things to the interviewer? Okay, so I will start with Saif, and first how to explain. So first explain what is the purpose of this concept. Okay, and then explain what is the T code. T code also I am saying. So OB29, and then explain why this concept is required. Okay, and what are the configurations? I didn't go. I haven't gone to configuration. So I need only purpose and what is the T code that we generally use. So let's start with Saif.
So should I define everything? I didn't get it.
Yeah. See, let's say I am an interviewer. Okay.
Okay.
Assume I am an interviewer. You are a candidate. Now, how you can explain these things to me?
Okay.
I have given an option, so entire points are also visible right now. You can also read out and explain to me. After
Chanu,
2 minutes,
give
I will
someone
close.
others chance.
Yeah, you can take 2 minutes.
So maintaining fiscal year means maintaining the accounting periods according to the client's requirement, which may be dependent and independent. Dependent
Okay.
means it should be dependent on which. So dependent will mean that the client is following the different accounting and calendar periods also. It means the calendar should start from fiscal year will start from April and end with March, and in independent one, the fiscal year will start from January and end it in December. And the
Okay.
transaction code we will be using is OB29.
Mm-hmm.
And can you show? Okay. And in SAP we get a maximum of 16 posting periods.
Okay.
This is it. I didn't get
Okay. Then what next? Okay. I will tell you what are the mistakes you have done, and tell Pratibha, tell something about fiscal year variants.
Yeah, fiscal year variant is a
No,
financial
just
year in,
one thing. So whatever
yeah.
things you are explaining, okay, assume that I am an interviewer. Okay, so you come for interview. I just asked
Yeah.
one question. What is fiscal year variant? How to start and how to end up? Yeah, just start.
Yeah. Fiscal year, I mean, I have to introduce myself as well, sir.
No,
Right?
not required. Just
Just only
explain
the
the
question.
concept.
Yeah. In fiscal year, in SAP, fiscal year variant, posting periods would be, it is a 16 periods. 12 is a normal periods and 4 is a special posting periods. And 4, suppose the company, how the company is required, like how many days they require, maybe the tax purpose, whatever the reasons, they will take into the 4 is a special periods in the year end. And in India, suppose we have to assign V3. V3 is our Indian code, and the K4 is we can use for suppose in US companies they can use it for K4, and also we have the year dependent and year independent. Year independent is year dependent is like complete year, like Jan. Indian financial year we can take it, like April to March we can take. Yeah, this is the fiscal year, and we can use the transaction code OB29 for this.
Okay. But there is something lacking, right? What is that?
Mm,
No, what I am asking,
yeah,
you explained everything okay,
yeah.
but so what are the things you explained? I mean, that is your up to the capacity or anything that you missed out? Are you feeling like that?
I'm not getting, sir, actually. What I missed.
Financial year transaction of the company code for the company.
Your voice is very low, Trinad. So I told you, right? So please keep your voice proper. So set your audio settings.
Some problem.
Year
We
dependent.
didn't get anything.
Control the financial year of, for the company code.
Okay.
It's, when it is year is tax.
Okay. We didn't get anything, man. What happened to your Skype system actually? You are calling from mobile or which one?
Laptop only.
Laptop only, then keep your earphones, right?
Earphone.
Okay. And Vasanta, can you explain anything?
Yes,
Yeah.
fiscal year variant defines number of posting periods for a company. In that, 12 periods are regular and 4 are the special posting periods. The
Okay.
12 posting periods are compulsory, regular, and 4
Okay.
are special periods are optional. This company can take even 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months, depending as per the requirement. These special
Okay.
periods are audit purpose.
Okay. Only audit purpose or anything else?
Auditing for adjustments and auditing.
Okay. Taxation adjustments. Okay. And some more points are there.
Tax.
Still some more points are left.
Um, the posting periods can be year dependent and year independent.
Okay.
Year dependent means there is a shift in the year between the months for that regular period. There is shift
Okay.
in the month.
Okay.
Year.
Mhm.
And independent means it does not change the year.
Okay. It's not about year. Here we can say period differ from year to year. Dates. Okay, good. బాగా చెప్పారు. Okay, but some more points you have forgotten. What is the transaction code for maintaining fiscal year variant? And fiscal year variants are defined at client level. So we can assign company codes to fiscal year variant. And Pratima also missed out many things.
Yeah, yes, sir.
You didn't explain why we need to take 4 special posting periods.
Yeah, correct. I did not tell actually proper.
Audit corrections, tax related adjustments,
Yeah.
any adjustments, accrual, deferral. Okay, and also you have forgotten for Indian companies which variant we need to take, V3. And for US companies, K4. Okay, anyhow, some more points are just left here, remaining all stuff are okay. And Saif, I think it is completely new to you. I mean, you didn't prepare well, I understand. But so you are starting from last and completing with last. So you are starting from independent and dependent, and you completed with maximum amount of 16 posting periods. Okay. So this one we need to explain first. Okay. So maximum amount of 16 posting periods. Pratima Vashanta has explained just now. So first we need to start with the maximum amount of 16 posting periods. And so these are all stuff you can explain in 2 minutes at least, 1 or 2 minutes. If you keep on explaining these things, definitely one day you will reach 3 or 4, 5 minutes. Okay, interview will stop you. I don't require, but it's enough. Thank you. I will ask you another question. Like that, you need to impress the interviewer. So whatever the topic it should be,
Yeah.
you can able to answer 3 or 4 minutes without stopping.
Sure, sir. We'll practice.
Okay. So without stopping, we need to explain 3 or 4 minutes. That way, the training expectation, right? So that is the reason I made up this entire document only purpose of theoretical way, so that any type of question if interviewer will ask you, so you can present it with the interviewer at least 4 or 5 minutes. That capacity we need to develop, build up. So this is about maintain fiscal year variant, but once you do configuration, everything should understand properly. Right now it is just like a theoretical point of nobody will get what exactly this one. But anyhow, so you people some experience on this part. So Saif, once we start configuration, I will tell you, right?
Okay.
So after creation of fiscal year variant, we need to assign to company code. Let's say how one fiscal year variant with 3. How many company codes shall I assign? I have 10 company codes. Okay, 8 out of that 8 company codes are related to Indian company codes and 2 is related to US. So shall I assign 10 company codes to one fiscal year variant? Pratima?
No, sir. No.
Okay.
Which we are, it is in India that we have to assign Indian V3. If it is in US, for that too, we have to assign K4.
Okay. So why we need to assign V3 for Indian company codes and K4 for US company codes?
That is in India, we are following different posting periods. That is for April to March. In US, we are following the calendar year is a different Jan to December. So that is the reason we have to segregate that two things and we have to assign that.
Okay. So let's say this is one scenario that we have 10 company codes. Out of that, 8 company codes are related to Indian company code, 2 company codes related to foreign. We can only assign to V3 8 company codes. Remaining 2 company codes, so they have different variant. Let's say it's a US company code, then we can take it out K3. Right? And posting period variants. So what is the purpose of posting period variant? Tell me, Pratima.
Actually, posting period is which is open for the suppose some of the period. Suppose now we are in a January, that period is open for postings. Then remaining is not open for the postings because we are in January.
Okay.
Wherever it is, it may be in the US or it may be in India also. The posting period should be open for that month for posting. Yeah.
Okay. No. Why I am asking why we need to create posting period variant in SAP?
We have to post the date we need every for whatever we are using the posting period. Which was we have to post the invoices for the dates which are suppose the client is posting the invoices for this period, especially the period suppose we are in January. For January month we have to post the invoices, so that period should be open. Remaining period is not.
I understand. I understand. You are saying that posting period generally used for the periods opening, right?
Correct, sir.
Okay, great. So generally, simple word. Okay, simple word is posting period variant. Okay, it is one variant. We can assign posting period variants to multiple company codes. Okay, let's say I have 50 company codes which are almost related to Indian company codes. Then we can assign 50 company codes to this posting period variant. So generally, why this posting period variant? To opening the periods and closing the periods. So you have forgotten to say the closing. So posting period variant is used to control period opening and period closing. That's it.
Yeah,
So
yes,
our
sir.
interview point of view, they will ask you, so I have 10 company codes. How shall I assign one posting periods to 10 company codes? Yes. But if the 10 company codes located in only India.
But the month is the same, no, sir? Okay, periods will change again. Yeah, correct. Yeah, got it, sir. Got it. Yeah.
Okay, right.
Periods can change. Yeah, correct.
So posting period will helpful to opening the periods and closing, where we can do periods opening and closing in OB52. This is also one of the month ending and year ending activity. OB52 for periods opening and closing. So once we do the configuration, we can easily identify. So what exactly listening for theoretical explanation, it should be different. And once we do the configuration, we can understand everything. But so interview, they will focus on the global settings. Okay. So because people don't aware how to explain this stuff. Even it is basic, it looks like basic, but we cannot explain more than 1 or 2 sentences from this place. That is the reason they will focus more on this. So how we can do periods opening and closing? So based on the fiscal year variant, we can open the period openings and closing. So what exactly period opening and closing, I will tell once we do the configuration. Just understand the terminology, that's it. So after creation of posting period variant, we need to assign to company code. That is mandatory. So what is the purpose of field status variant? This is very important for the interview level. And I will ask Vasanta, start. Vasanta, what is define, how to define field status variant? What is the purpose of this? This is also one of the interview question. Okay, real-time scenario is there. I will explain once we create GL accounts. Vasanta, can you explain this one?
It is used to define the fields.
Okay. Define the fields. Anything else apart from this?
Number of fields depending upon the object.
Okay.
One object can assign any number of fields. They are like that.
Pratima?
Yes, sir. Here we have a option when we are in the system SAP, like suppress required. Three options are there. Any
Okay.
field, if you want for the accounts, we can make it like a use or skip something. I'm not remembering exactly.
Okay.
Three or four options are there. It is a suppress and yeah, that we can use it in this field status, like which are required we can take it. If it is not required, if we are not using, if it's not required to that GL or so we cannot use that. I mean, like we if you
Okay. And Trinad,
Yeah.
yeah, nothing else.
I want to ask question, sir.
Your voice is not audible, man. So tomorrow, please check your
Okay, okay.
mic set. See, field status variant is very important for the interview level. Okay. So first question will come from this area only. So if I mean it's a simple first round of interview, basic round of interview. So if they want to check anything from the global settings, they will ask this question only. So field status variant generally used for the inputs like cost centers, profit centers, plant, and many options are also available. We can make it, so let's say for example, for this GL, I need cost center. So where we can set this option. I don't need I don't need cost center where we can set this option. I need profit center where we can set this option. I don't want to display this option at all where we can do. So field status variant control the document. So document means so FB50 GL entry posting, FB60 vendor invoice booking. So once you are doing any posting, so there are several options will be there in the line item level and header level. So these options like for the particular GL account, cost center is required or not, profit center is required or not, WBS is required or not, so reference is required or not. So not only GL, so header part. So posting date is required or not. So these are all things will be done from this area. All options can be controlled from this area. So field status contains options like suppress, require, display. Suppress means there is no option will not be available. Require means this option is mandatory. Without giving that option, system won't accept at all. Display means so display. What is display? Just like we can it's not display. It's optional. Okay, optional. That means whether you will give cost center or not, system will accept. Optional, two options. Okay, whether you give or not, system will accept. Suppress, this option will not be available. Mandatory, required. So without this, system won't accept. Won't accept means without this you cannot post any entry. So just understand that field status is just like it control the document. Okay, let's say FB50, FB60. So it control the line item level and header level. And here, so there are the three options like suppress, optional, mandatory. So we can control the document according to GL wise. Just remember that part. Field status contains field status groups. So what is the field status group, etc. Once we do the configuration. So let's understand this concept in very detail. So once we created field status group, we need to assign to company code level. So here everything we are assigning to company code, okay. So till global variants, everything we need to assign to company code level. After that, chart of account level will come. Okay, that is in GL level. Very important for the interview. So some of the scenarios also there. Once I go to the system, I will tell. So what are the scenarios will come from the field status group. So after creation of field status group, we need to assign to company code. So how we can start and how we can end up the this concept. So first we need to explain what is the purpose of field status variant. Okay, once the purpose is done, then we need to explain the T code. So once the T code is done, then what are the options are available in the SAP system? Okay, so and it's done, what are the scenarios across with this field status variant? So this is the way of explanation for the interview level. Start with why. So why we need to create a field status variant? What is the purpose? Next, what is the T code? Next, what are the options available in the system? Next, how to end up? What are the scenarios? Will link with this concept. So if you explain like that, there is no single questions will come from this area. Not only this, any let's say it's asset accounting or any AP related. So if you are keep on saying, so this tells about your confidence. So how you are grasping the subject. I mean, what is the knowledge that you contain? So keep on explaining. He will stop you. Okay, he will stop you and go to the another topic. So this tells about your confidence on the subject. So he never asks another question from this area. He doesn't have any dare to ask the questions. That way, you need to impress the interviewer in polite way. Very obedient. Okay. And after that, these are all configurations. Okay, right now, see this, if you want to explain this entire concept, generally 2 or 3 days will take. Okay, but so we are making this concept in more attractive way. First, I am explaining theoretical. So if I explain maintain physical area variant and directly go to the configuration level, so you will forget the theory part. So you will forget the configuration part also. So the step by step, we are explaining step by step. So maintaining fiscal year variant we need to create. After that, assigning to company code. After that, we need to create posting variant. After that, assigning to posting variant to company code. After that, we need to open the periods and periods opening and closing. After that, field status variant. So after that, assignment to company code. Okay. So everything is sequenced. You cannot jump from this to that. Okay. So if any one configuration is missed out, then the errors will come automatically. Okay.
This will be applicable for all GL, sir.
Yeah, field status variant we need to in GL master we need to link field status variant. I will tell you once we do the configurations. I will tell one by one. It is just like basic stuff. I need to complete. Okay. So once we created in the system, automatically we will create one scenario on this. Okay, so we just created company code financial up to credit control area. Tomorrow we will create all the configuration steps. Okay, related to fiscal year variant, assign into company code. I will show, okay, one by one I will show in the configuration level.
Okay, sir.
So it is just like basic stuff. These are all basic stuff. For the even it is basic stuff. Without this, we cannot make anything in FI. So what is document types? I think Saif may a little bit confusion, right? Saif. So are you understanding?
Yes, Chanu?
Yeah, are you understanding
Yes,
this
yes, I am
concept?
understanding. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Once we do configuration, so again it will be repeated. Don't worry. So document types. So many document types. Okay. So AP related document type, posting related document type, clearing related document type, ER related posting related, I mean invoice related document, clearing related document, asset. So all document types is already in the system. There is no need to create any new document. Yes, we can create it, new document, but almost 99 documents are available in your system once we check it out. Whether it is related to complete process, APR, GL, asset accounting, etc. But so document types also, variant is always defined at client level. So document types are always defined at client level. Okay, so document types are applicable to entire company codes. There is no assignment to a particular company code. Okay, so document types are assigned to entire company codes. Okay, it is applicable to all company code. There is no assignment is required. It is maintained at client level. So we can also post reversal entries by using these document types. So here some of the document types are there. So this is standard document types. We can also create a customized one. So standard documents is more than enough. So AA for asset accounting, DR for customer invoice, DZ for customer payment, KA for vendor document, KG for vendor credit memo, KR for vendor invoice, KZ for vendor payment. So at least we need to remember these document types. So this is the standard document types. At least we need to remember asset related, customer, vendor related. Okay. So Z is always payment, DZ customer payment, KZ vendor payment, R is invoice booking, KR vendor invoice, DR customer invoice. Okay, AA for asset posting. So standard document types are already available in the system. There is no need to create any new one. So document the type should be 2-digit and number range, etc. We need to do all this stuff. I will explain once we come to this concept. Right. Saif, just open the SAP. Share your screen. Yes, what is the transaction code for creation of a fiscal year variant? OB 29, right?
Oh, okay.
Yes, just go to OB 29. So here we are creating fiscal year variant. Okay. So there is no need to create any fiscal year variant. Variant is already created, it's standard. Just go to position and V3. Yeah, enter. See, variant V3 is already there. So just drag that one for special. हाँ उसका बगल में वाले को ड्रैग करो, डिस्क्रिप्शन को, ओनली डिस्क्रिप्शन. हाँ उसको खींचो, राइट साइड खींचो उसको. हाँ वो खींचो आराम से. See, V3 April, March, okay, for special posting period. So it's standard V3 and just go to position K4. See, K4 generally calendar year and 4 special posting periods. So it's a calendar year means Jan to December. So how many periods are there? 12 plus 4, total 16 posting periods. Okay. Now what you will have to do, select, go to position. Just give V3. Select V3. No, select V3. V3. Yes. Copy. ऊपर copy है न्यू एंट्रीज का बगल में. Yeah. Just go to copy.
Copy.
You are not selected. Just select V3.
Okay.
Yes. Copy. Now remove V3. Remove V3. हाँ उसी में V3 रिमूव करो.
कुछ नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ तो.
आएगा. V3 का ऊपर क्लिक करो ना. V3 आएगा. चेक करो. V3 का ऊपर क्लिक करो. यस. आराम से करो ना. जस्ट कर्सर लगा हुआ ना उधर V3 का ऊपर. हाँ डिलीट कर दो ना उसको. हाँ डिलीट कर दो. हाँ वहां लगाओ अपना. व्हाट इज अवर कंपनी कोड?
कंपनी कोड
भूल गया. 1 2 3 4.
डोंट रिमेम्बर.
1 2 3 4. साइफ तुम्हारे नाम से कंपनी कोड क्रिएट किया था हम लोगों ने. You have forgotten company code, man. So your company code with your name. Saif Manufacturers. Yes, give SCA. Okay, save, enter.
This one, FA.
SCA is okay. Enter. Okay, already S1 you can, or else you give SF.
SF.
Yeah, enter. Copy all. So 41 entries are copied. Okay. Okay, you created a fiscal year variant, right? Select SF. Select SF. Go to periods. Next option, right side, left side, periods. Fiscal year variant, periods, period text, short fiscal year variant. Double click. कर. Yes. Okay. Okay. So select periods, double click on periods now. Okay, just come drag down. नीचे आ जाओ. हाँ वहां दिखाओ ना. उसका खींचो आगे. पूरा मंथ 1 2 3 दिखा रहा है ना उसका. और चेक करो. डाउन करो. या so it's already created. Okay, so generally we need to create. What is year shift? और आ जाओ. हाँ और wait. Okay, so up to April to 12 year shift is 0. Just go up and check period next year. up ऊपर वाली. Yeah, so fast click करो. Yeah, y -1. और एक भूल गया. और एक ऊपर जाओ. period 1. Yes. So Jan. So -1 किस लिए है? What is the purpose of -1?
Year independent.
Year is shifted. Okay. So generally our period start with April to March. The April to December year is closed and new is starting. So that is the reason we need to give year shifting -1. Okay. So just go to period text, another one. So if you are not created this one, so we need to create it. It's already there in the system. So period text means Jan, February, like that. Double click. See periods are April, May, March, everything is there, right? But language is different. Okay. आपने क्या करना है, उसको कॉपी कर दो यार, पूरे के पूरे कॉपी कर दो, कंट्रोल वाई.
Okay, done that.
So ये सब कॉपी करके न्यू एंट्रीज में जाना है. गो टू न्यू एंट्रीज. हाँ, टेक इंग्लिश EN. Okay, next period 1. Period 1. हाँ, text JAN January लिखो. हाँ, बस वैसा we need to do for 12 posting periods in this 12 Jan periods, Jan to March, and save it. You can do it later.
Okay.
And this is also one of the, it's already in the system, then leave it. Okay, it's already in the system, leave it. So this is one of the year ending activity. Short end, go to short end fiscal year variant, third one. Okay, enter. Same is coming. Just go back, man. Just go back. OB 29. And select anyone. Select anyone. Select first. Select any fiscal year variant. Not about SIFE. Just go to shortened fiscal year variant. Yeah. Okay. Nothing is coming.
Nothing is
Select.
coming.
You are not selected. Huh.
Variant 01 is not
Okay,
even
I
dependent.
think in S4 HANA, it's not coming. Maybe in ECC, it should come. Execute.
Okay.
So here we need to define the year. Fiscal year we need to define. So that is the main difference here, S4 HANA to ECC. And select any other fiscal year variant. Double click on the short fiscal year here. Yeah. Huh. Okay, it's not coming. Huh? Okay. So this is just like it's a year ending activity. We need to give the 2000, let's say 2020 is completed. Okay. So we need to give the short fiscal year 2021 for the next year. And select and continue and select any other. Just check it out. So why it is not coming? Double click. Or else don't select and just double click. Don't select. Maybe this option is just like year ending activity. So where we can define, let's say 2020 is completed, then we need to define 2021 for fiscal year variant. Okay, so period extension. So this is also one of the year ending activity. So once you see in the EC system, so it will clearly appear. Just go back. So after creation of the fiscal year variant, what we need to do? Saif, tell me.
Creating a fiscal year variant.
Yeah, we created fiscal year variant, right?
Yes.
Assign to company code.
Assign to company code, right? What is the T code? OB37. Or else you can directly go to path. Go to SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, global setting, fiscal year. Where is this? Fiscal year, general ledger, 1 minute. Assign company code to fiscal year variant. Where is that option? Global settings. Global setting, ledger, functional document, go to document. Tolerance group default. Or else control F. Control F, I'm just pinging this one. 1 minute. And paste it over there. No, paste. Don't write. Assign company code to fiscal year variant. Paste. Go to chart. Paste.
It is not.
Paste now.
It is not working.
It's working. Okay, you didn't select that one. Notepad ले लो. Take notepad. Right click करो. Copy text. हाँ. अभी उसमें पेस्ट करो. आ जाएगा. Control V.
It is not pasting.
Okay, you can type down here. Assign company code to fiscal year variant. In real time, we don't know anything. Okay, we have forgotten the path. Just go to Control F and give the details. Can find. Go to ledgers. No, it's not about ledger. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, check it out one by one, or else. Posting define posting period. Document types. 1 minute. Global parameter for company code. हाँ down. Yes, second option ledger के बाद. ऊपर. Global parameter for company code. Okay. Or else you can use this transaction code OB37 /n OB37. Just go to position, company code. It's not safe, okay. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Give your fiscal year variant. See position. So once we are assigning anything, what is the fiscal SF? You are forgetting everything. Save. Control S. And now show me how you created a fiscal year variant from start. Just tell me how to create. Just go back. /n. So what is the transaction code?
I forgot the transaction code.
OB29. Forget. Okay, just now tell me how to create a fiscal year variant.
You should go to period.
So go to position. 2 दिन आपको छुट्टी मिल गया, पूरा भूल गया ना. V3 for variant. Okay. So now we want to create new thing. Then we need to select and copy. Copy करो. Okay. So इसको KA कर दो. KL करो. KA already exists in your system maybe. Say enter. Copy all. Enter. Yes. Select KL. Go to period text. Yes. Enter. So this is called as transport request. Okay. Just go to shortened fiscal year. Maybe it work or not. Let's check it out. Okay. So select the second one. No, sir. First one. Huh.
Okay.
Only one you can select. So period text. This is already ready-made one. It is already there. If it is not there, we need to create. Okay, then how we assigned OB 37. Just show me first.
One, two, three, four is assigned.
We assigned, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now go to posting period variant OB BO.
VBO.
OB BO. So we need to create a posting period variant. Just click on new entries. So give the variant details. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write what is this posting period variant? Type down fast.
What to type?
Posting period variant. Save. Yes, save. Just go back. So why we created posting period variant? Why we created posting period variant? To open the periods, right? So just go to OB52 / and OB52. So what is the transaction code for period opening? OB52. So give the posting period variant 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now go to new entries. So just see what are the drill down. उसमें ये के अंदर बहुत होता है, चेक करो. Account types. हाँ. So here what kind of accounts we can open? Okay, you can take all plus. And from account to account leave. From account to account leave करो from period 1 and 2020 this one 2020 fiscal year variant, and this is 12 2020. Okay, and what is this account group? Leave it.
Okay.
And 13 to year 2021 year 2021 period 13 year 2021 16. What exactly this meaning? Can anyone tell me? 2016. Sorry, 16 only.
In this one, period 3.
So tell me. So why we have given the entire these things? What exactly this meaning? Tell me. What we have defined in this place?
1 to 12 is a normal periods. 13, 14, 15, 16 is a special periods.
So 1 to 12 is regular posting periods.
Posting periods, and 4-1 are the special posting periods for audit and tax purposes.
So that will come under the 2021, right? 1 to 12 is normal posting period. So
Normal posting
initially, so at the time of posting period variant, okay, what is our posting period variant?
V3.
No. Posting period. You are confusing. Okay. So V3 is fiscal year variant. Posting period variant is 1, 2, 3, 4. We just created. So top में है
Okay.
check करो वो 1, 2, 3, 4.
हाँ
So why this posting period? In order to opening the periods. अभी हमने कितना periods open किया है? How many periods open right now?
16.
Entire posting periods open कर दिया. ऐसा होता है क्या कभी real time में? So it would be happen in real time. So we will open entire posting periods. So we will open only current period only. Okay, because the end user cannot post the previous cannot post previous period and next posting period. So this is month ending activity. Okay, let's say I need to keep 12 place में replace करके 1 करो. What does this mean? We open the period April month only. Type करो 2. Remove 1 2. Just give only 2. That means what? April and May periods are open right now. 3. April, May, June open. Periods are open. 12. Entire periods are open or not? Can anyone tell me, Pradima, entire periods are open? We opened entire periods?
Yeah, at present we have opened all the periods.
No. In my case, it's no.
But we are not, okay.
Because the period year is 2020 only. Our period 12 will come in 2021. Okay. So change 2021.
This year, I think.
So this is the month ending activity. Okay. So if anyone change 2021, not 2020.
This one.
वो नहीं है 12 के बाद.
12 के बाद.
हाँ. अरे हाँ. Now save. Specify complete interval. Something wrong. Something we have given wrong. So just double click on specify complete. You see, it is S4 HANA. Okay. So whether it is in ECC, okay, that's fine. Only 1 or 2 things will be there. But in S4 HANA, that is entire thing will be different. Okay. So just click on the what is the error. Double click on that error. Copy that error. See, real time, if any error will come, if it doesn't know anything, okay, just copy message number and the error as well.
Go to Google it.
Just go to Google. And check with that error. Yeah, open anything. First one. Now अभी issue resolve करो आपने. So issue कैसा resolve होगा अभी? अभी आपका दिमाग यूज करो, कैसा रिसॉल्व होगा अभी इशू? हु विल रिसॉल्व द इशू? ये S4 HANA में चेंज है, ECC में ऐसा नहीं है। ठीक है, ECC में ऐसा नहीं है। S4 HANA का पास्ट ये तो कंप्लीटली नया, आपने 1909 लिया था।
हाँ
ओके, so there is so just go to SAP once again. Okay, just come out from this place. Go back. Go back. Okay, just give the OB52. So fiscal year variant you can take any other, not 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the difference between our side and another one? Variant you can drill down, man. हाँ, click करो उसको. Take any one variant. हाँ, execute. Okay, what is the difference? Same thing we have given, right? Copy this. Copy करो ऊपर. हाँ, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, so these are all stuff we have given. Why the system throwing an error? So control Y. कॉपी करो पूरा लाइन को. कंट्रोल वाई. हाँ, पूरा लाइन कॉपी करो. कंट्रोल वाई.
why is it not working?
वाई, कंट्रोल वाई. वो वहां से कॉपी करो. 1 2000 से कॉपी करो. 1 2000 से फ्रॉम पीरियड. हाँ, कंट्रोल वाई. So we have given the inputs correctly, but why the system is not taking? So from my system it's okay. हाँ, 1 से कॉपी करो.
Control Y.
अरे ऐसे खींचो ना, राइट साइड खींचो. ऐसा, हाँ राइट. हाँ, कंट्रोल कंट्रोल सी. गो बैक. यस, कंट्रोल सी, गो बैक. वहाँ एग्जिट करो ना. एग्जिट. हाँ, OB52 1 2 3 4. गो टू न्यू एंट्रीज. फ्रॉम पीरियड से कॉपी पेस्ट करो. ओके, सो अकाउंट में जाके जस्ट गिव द प्लस. हाँ, बस इतना ही है ना. डिटेल्स सेव करो. हाँ, अभी तो हो रहा है. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? ओके, ओके. अभी चेंज करो. 2020 ईयर फर्स्ट वन. यस, 2020 2021. हाँ, उसको 2020 कर दो. हाँ, उसको भी 2020 करो. हाँ, सेव. ओके, अभी तो डेटा सेव हो गया. सो नाउ एवरीथिंग इज ओके, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपेंड इन द पास्ट? कोई इनपुट गलत लिया था क्या?
In 16th period, it should not be 2021, sir.
हाँ हाँ, चेंज द 2021.
No.
Sir.
2021. हाँ, 13 का बाद 2021 करो. Why we are doing these things? Enter. ओके, सेव. सेव करो ना. It's done. Okay. So what we have given wrong in the previous time? The last time, what are the inputs we have given incorrect? I don't know. Save it.
It's a
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, just go back. Next, go to OBBP. OBBP, yes. Go to position. So give 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the variant we created? Posting period variant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Variant also be same. Enter. Save. Save. Yeah, done. So now tell me what are the configurations we created today, okay, and what is the purpose? So at least explain 5 minutes. Start from the scratch. Saif.
I was struggling, Chanu. I have to get more clarity. I maybe 1, 2 time I have to do it. Then I will get the clarity.
Okay. So Pratima, you tell me.
Yes, sir. I will try.
I will try. What happened?
No, it's okay. But once we go through the document, no, then maybe we can get
No,
a
no,
good idea. I think so.
no, I just I don't go any document right now.
Yeah, yeah.
No, you don't go any document right now. Just explain. That's it. So it is just like your how you are catching the points. That's it. Or kuch nahi. There is nothing else.
Yeah.
So what we created and so from scratch today's session. Explain 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. We can close the session. Fiscal year variant. What is fiscal year
Yeah.
variant? How created, and what we next created.
Yeah, fiscal year variant we created as a client level. We create the fiscal year variant, and for fiscal year variant we have actually total 16 periods, 14 periods. 12 periods are the NAMA periods and 4 are the special periods. These 4 periods for companies legal requirement for taxes and all, taxes or any auditing purpose, they'll make it there as per their requirement, and company can use this 4 periods. This can be in a client level, and we have in this we have a year dependent, and year dependent is like India we follow year dependent, that is from April to March. April to March we have a this is a year dependent. In US if you take, that is a year independent. Year dependent we use for V3, that is for India we can take as example, which we use for the year dependent. And year in US we use for K4 for year independent. Calendar year they follow, that is January to December. And yeah, we will take into the system once we assign the V3 in the system, and we can make it into the for 12 periods and the 4 special periods. 12 periods which we are using at the current position we will open. Suppose now we are in January, we will open this period in wherever the country. Suppose in India we are using the current period, we will open for postings. And again the same thing, once we close the year, close that period, suppose from month 31st of the January we will close. This is one of the month end activity. Yeah, this is the fiscal year variant.
Okay. So you explained about posting period variant creation, right?
Sir.
Okay. And see generally how to start, what is the purpose? Okay, then T code.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
then any scenarios or options, then any scenarios. So 4-way.
Yeah,
It is
yeah,
a 4-way
correct.
concept for the interview point of view. So
Okay.
if you
T
explain
code.
like that,
Yeah.
in first attempt you will clear interview.
Sure, sir. We'll practice it. I'll practice it actually.
Okay.
Yeah, today only it's no better. Yeah,
Okay, that
definitely.
way we need to practice. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. Even I got very good idea how to. I mean, like I don't know like how to tell the interviewer, but your suggestion is very good. How to approach the question when the interviewer asks us.
सैफ क्या बात है भैया?
Yes, Chanu.
2 दिन आ गया आपने पूरा भूल गया एसएपी को. 2 दिन
No,
हॉलीडे दिया तो
Chanu. So I
ठीक
just
है
get
तब.
confusing T codes and
Yeah, so many T codes यार. It is just like 22 code 22. आप तो एसएपी एंड यूजर है ना? हाँ, फिर एसएपी में कितना टी कोड्स होता है? हाउ मेनी टी कोड्स इन एसएपी? ये सब याद रखना है, ठीक है? यू नीड टू डू मोर प्रैक्टिस बिकॉज
okay, will do, Chanu.
రైట్. సో త్రినాథ్ మీరు సెట్ చేసుకోండి అది మైక్ రేపు. వాయిస్ మీద అసలు వినపడతలేదు అసలు. ఓకే దెన్ బాయ్, సీ యూ.